Welcome to the Salesforce Opportunities to SAP Business One Sales Orders Template Configuration video. The following video will assist you in the configuration and deployment of the BPA platform, Salesforce and SAP Business One tasks, and the associated staging database. It will act as a companion to the documentation and will highlight aspects of the solution that will require alignment with your own systems. You will require BPA Platform 2021, the Microsoft SQL Server Connector tool, Microsoft SQL Server 2012 or above, available to host the staging database, SAP Business One, version 9.3 or above, the SAP Business One DI-API integration tool, pre-alignment of SBO master data records with system-generated unique identifiers, the Salesforce Connector tool, and a dedicated Salesforce user for BPA Platform. The BPA Platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. To obtain the template assets, please contact your account manager. We will start by generating the staging database. In our environment, we are using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Go to File, Open, and File. Then navigate to the folder containing the template assets and find B2C Staging DB v4_1 and click Open. Now click Execute. This will generate the staging database and tables as seen here. In BPA Platform, click the Tools, then click Import. Navigate to the Downloaded Assets folder and locate SF SBO Opportunity 1 Sales Order.connection and click Open. We have now imported the tooled connections required for this task template. However, these will need further configuration, which we will look at shortly. Firstly, we need to ensure we have a call task user in BPA Platform. Navigate to System, Users. For this example, we will open the call task user we have created previously. Your call task username needs to be entered exactly as shown here. And as shown, we have selected BPA Platform Authentication. Then on the Server Roles tab, select all the checkboxes to give full permissions. Click OK to save and close this window. We can now configure the Call Task tool. Navigate to Tools, Execute, Call Task. Locate the connection named Sales, and then Edit. Here, you will need to enter the Call Task user and password you created previously. Open the Folder tab, expand the tree, and expand SBO Salesforce. Then select the Sales folder. Click OK, and OK again to close. We now need to configure the imported tool connections to align with our environment. Navigate to Tools, Data Connectors, Microsoft SQL Server Connector. Locate B2C Staging DB v4_1 Sales and click Edit. In Agent Connection General, for this demonstration, we are using localhost. In SQL Server Connection General, you will need to enter your staging database credentials. Use Test Connection to ensure the details are correct. Then, in the Database node, click Refresh Cache. In the Business Object Designer tab, we can see the objects used within this template. This, however, requires no further configuration. Now click OK, then Yes, and OK again to close the dialog boxes. We will now open the SAP Business One DI API tool. Edit the connection named SBO Demo GB. In each of these tabs, you will need to enter your SAP Business One details and credentials. Then click OK and OK again to close. Next, open the Salesforce Connector tool. Edit the connection named Salesforce. Here you will need to enter your own Salesforce credentials and license. Once completed, use Test Connection to ensure the details are correct. Click OK and OK again to close. Lastly, we will import the tasks. Click the Root Tasks folder and then click Import. Navigate to the Downloaded Assets folder and locate SF SBO Opportunity 1 Sales Order.tks and then click Open. The tasks have now been imported. Navigate to Tasks, SBO Salesforce, Sales folder to see the tasks we have just imported. This concludes the configuration. See the next video for a demonstration of the template functionality. And that's it for this video. If you require more details on this installation, please see the accompanying documentation or the tool white papers. If further assistance is required, please contact your account manager. Thanks for watching.